So today I'm trying out my new Buyers spreader that I got from Northern Hydraulics, Northern Tool, and it hooks onto the back of my UTV through the trailer hitch. It's the only thing I saw that could change. Most UTVs do not have the 2-inch hitch. They could change that. Anyway, I've spread several bags now and it seems to work good. Like I said, I hooked it up to my UTV. I put some straps to secure it a little better on the UTV. And then I took, they talked about the cord being too short, the power cord. So I went on eBay and bought a power cord extension, which wasn't much. It was like $3, free shipping, so not that bad. And then the handle is too short to turn it, the spreader part, the adjustment on and off. So I took a piece of conduit that I had and taped it, as you can see, to the handle. Ran it through the back of the UTV. Took me a little piece of PVC square tubing. You could use round tubing, whatever. I mounted it to the center post on the roll bar and ran it up into the cab. So if I want to turn it on and off now, all I got to do is, while I'm on the UTV, is to grab a hold of the pole, slide it forward, and it's on. If I want to turn it off, I'll push it backwards and it turns it off. It works very smoothly running through the PVC, so that worked out really good. The power cord runs up to the UTV. My UTV has a 12-volt power adapter thing, so you can plug it right into the so-called cigarette lighter. And then it's got the on-off switch up in the cab to cut it on and off. Works really well. So far, like I said, I've spread about 4 bags of fertilize. It's worked really well. Thought I'd take a little break and do this video. While I'm doing this, I'll give a plug for the Coleman folks. Mine is a Coleman UTV that I bought at Sam's Wholesale. It was cheaper than any others I had seen. It looks a lot like the, I think it's called Mosimo, which is sold at Tractor Supply and some other dealerships. But anyway, I went online. Coleman builds their own. I don't know if they build the Mosimo or not, but they do build this one. It does pretty good. It lacks a little bit of power, but it's only a 500cc, so I wouldn't expect it to be like pulling a train or nothing. While I'm loading it up, I've got a 1-ton landscaping truck, so I back it right up to the truck, and that way I can offload my fertilizer into the hopper, not have to pick the bags up. The bags are, if you had to pick it up, the top of the hopper is probably about 5 feet off the ground, so it'd be a pretty good little lift to get it up. But having a landscape truck, it works out pretty good that I can just slide right off the back and right into the hopper. So anyway, we're going to put out a little bit more fertilizer and get back at it. This is the, like I said, the Buyers ATV spreader from Northern Tool. They have 2. One hooks into the trailer hitch, one mounts onto the rear racks of a ATV. I chose the one with the trailer hitch. It's a little bit more expensive, however, it's much easier to hook up. Just slide it in, take it off when you need to. I'll probably also pull a plugger with this same unit, so it'll make it easy to have both pieces of equipment there, one UTV, and just pull it on job sites. So anyway, that is the hookup, and Crossroads Landscape, and I will post this on YouTube.